I'll probably just do this. Riley, sit. Sit. Nothing. Nothing. Riley, heel. Sit. Beautiful job, Riley. Ah, so you don't care anymore. Riley's no longer gun shy. See? This video, you can really see Riley's body language and tell that she's having a good time, that she's no longer responding negatively to the gunshot. Now, I've been working with Riley for about 2 or 3 days, something like that, a couple days, that's all. And we already have her to the point where this is the video where she's like saying she doesn't care. Look at the dog's tail, it's up and wagging. Just 2 days ago when I would shoot the gun, that she'd be shaking uncontrollably. Now she's not shaking anymore. The tail is up and it's wagging, she's having a good time. I didn't videotape the very first session for a reason, because people, it's like exploitation in a way, and it'll bum people out. You know, like, oh look, the dog's afraid. Yeah, I know that. I know that. But to get the dog unafraid, it has to do a session or two where it's not as, you know, it just doesn't get what's going on. But they pick it up very quickly. If you do nothing, every time your dog hears a fireworks or something, it freaks out. Now Riley can move on and act like a normal dog when she hears fireworks. Or she's around gunfire, whatever. We're gonna test Riley out with a shotgun. Probably not tomorrow, but the next day. She'll do it. I saw the light bulb go off today. Watch this video. Look at Riley's body language. Once you start getting success with your gun-shy dog, and they start associating this with gunpowder, just start running the dog through, you know, drills, obedience drills, of things that you know the dog can do. Fire the gun, make the dog sit. Fire the gun, make the dog go in the down position. Whatever. It's something that you know that you can build on success. It's easy for the dog's functioning, it's doing what it's told. And every time you do this, and when you start doing this, you're gonna notice every time you do a session and you tell the dog not to be freaked out, they get better. They do. They get better at every session. So take your time. Just do whatever. Like with Riley, Riley knows that we're gonna be training, and she knows that I'm incorporating the starter pistol at this point. Riley, sit. Good girl. What were we doing? Ike, get over here at heel. Come on, Ike, heel. Come on, spin around, fat man. All right, get over here. No, sit. Ike, sit. So it could just be something like this, like, so they're sitting, right? Riley, this is about Riley, not Ike. Right? Riley, heel. Sit. That's fucking awesome. That's awesome. Okay, now in Riley, I just saw like not being overexcited, nothing. She just looked totally normal. This is like in 3 days. So at this point, I probably won't use the glove. I'll probably just do this. Riley, sit. Sit. Nothing. Nothing. Riley, heel. Sit. Beautiful job, Riley. Ah, so you don't care anymore. Riley's no longer gun shy. See, I could transfer her into the dummy launcher, but we should probably work on retrieves with her and do this some more, of course. You know, you really want to put the nail in the coffin. Maybe we have time that I could break out a like 16 gauge or something. She's doing great. That's great, Riley. Nice job. We'll do this one more time in the glove. Right. One more time out of the glove. Riley, heel. Notice her tail's up. Her tail's up. Yeah, I feel good about this. Sit. Good girl, Riley. Heel. Sit. Nice. You don't care. Yay. Yay. Good girl. Yeah, there you go. See the tail wagging? Good girl. Good girl. That's good. Riley, sit. Thank you, Ike. Heel. It's awesome. It's fucking awesome, Riley. Good girl. That's awesome. See? She's better. She's a lot better. Yeah, patting myself on the back. You're damn right. I'm good with gun-shy dogs. I am. There isn't any dog that I can't get
good with dogs in general.